Hey you guys, we are going to be reviewing another wig that I got through Amazon, and this was a Prime 2-day shipping, and they sent it in this little white bag. And y'all, I was playing around with the zoom features and I kind of zoomed in a little too much for this video, but you just get to see my blemishes a little closer. But in this video, we are getting this wig from March Queen Hair on Amazon, and they sent some beautiful gold earrings. They're gonna look fantastic, by the way. So shout out to them for the earrings. They are so cute and so throwback. I love it. So we are getting a wig from them. This is a 24-inch curly wavy type unit. Their wigs are super thick and I love the quality. This is a synthetic, but the synthetic quality on this unit is amazing. It came plugged. If you guys seen my second to last video, it was a review of their other unit, and I went in and plugged it, but I did not have to plug this one because it already came pre-plugged in a parting. It is a silk base. It has 2 combs at the temples but none at the nape, just the adjustable straps, and as you can see, the lace is already plucked. And the lace on the unit was a soft brown Swiss lace, not like that old hard Swiss lace we used to get. And this is what you will look for on Amazon, March Queen Hair. It's a brown highlighted unit, so it's a black base with chocolate brown highlights, perfect for this upcoming fall winter season. And the unit is super thick, like I said, so if you like a thicker unit, this is for you, because I know a lot of synthetic units do not have enough hair. And actually this one comes with so much hair that I think you should go in and kind of thin it out a little bit just to get a more natural look. But if you prefer a more fuller wig, this is the perfect wig for you, and she's under 20 bucks. Just showing you guys the different colors that it comes in. It comes in a red and a blonde, and the red is similar to the last unit that I reviewed for them, but the highlights are more spread out and not so chunky and bold. So shout out to March Queen Hair for the fire color jobs on their units. Like, these synthetic units be having the best color jobs ever. And show y'all, all you need is a little bit of lipstick, a nice earring in your hair, and you are ready to go. You do not have to have a full face of makeup with this unit. And I'm just showing you guys that the lace does blend with medium to darker skin, which is really good, and it was easy to cut off. All you have to do with this unit is cut your lace. And as you can see, it blends in so well. This is just the unit on top of my head with no spray, no got to be no glue or nothing. And as you can see, the hair is super big, it's super bold. So what you will want to do is take your brush and brush all the curls out so they can be more uniform and fall together instead of just being like bushy. And I just decided to shift the unit to the side and make it a side part. It is technically supposed to be a middle part, but I put it on the side, and I'm just showing you guys how great and pretty, how full this unit is. So you do not have to worry about it being sparse. This unit is super full, and it looks so pretty to say that I don't have on any makeup, just lipstick. And this unit just shows you how a new unit can really spice up your look. All the information on this unit will be linked below, and this unit will be up for donation to anyone that has suffered from hair loss, and a link to that will be linked below as well. So remember to stay unique and love your individuality, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love and peace.